What is really the business model of Webacy? Is it a sort of monitoring subscription, or how does it work for consumers?
So on the consumer side, you can think of Webacy kind of like a Norton. Do you know Norton antivirus? And it does things a lot. It does a lot of things for you that you're actually not aware of, but it helps you monitor your systems. It helps you analyze your systems for malware or some bugs on your system if you have any. It also helps you act if there is anything for you to do. So Webacy is very similar. We help you analyze your wallet. We look at your open approvals. We look at your behavioral history. We look at the assets in your wallet to tell you if there are any that you maybe shouldn't touch, or if there's behavioral activity that we think, hey, you might actually want to change the way you do this because it could get you drained in the future, for example. We also do monitoring. Like I mentioned, you can actually set up real-time alerts based on activity. This is my favorite feature because when I'm away on a run or at a conference, I get pinged if something happens in my wallet. And that feels really good that something's watching out for me, as long as it's not like a drain or something's leaving my wallet, but then at least I know. So yeah, it's very comparable to like a Norton type of thing, but it's a full security suite for you to set up all kinds of different safety services for yourself.